In 2017, the BMW Group has delivered more than 100,000 electrified vehicles worldwide, as promised at the beginning of the year. This underlines the company's leadership role in electro-mobility. In a ceremonial handover at the BMW Welt, the customer of the 100,000th vehicle received his keys from CEO Harald Krüger personally. It's a great feeling. I never thought that it's going to be like this. I'm impressed. I'm also excited to experience the BMW i3 on the road with its amazing performance and great acceleration. This I know. Electromobility is an essential part of the corporate strategy #1 Next. In 2025, the company will offer 25 fully electric and plug-in hybrid models. Next year, the BMW i8 Roadster will be launched, followed by the electric Mini in 2019 and the electric version of the BMW X3 in 2020, before the BMW iNext will set new standards as new technology flagship in 2021.
It's a very special day for the BMW Group. At the beginning of the year, we announced we would like to sell 100,000 electrified vehicles this year in 2017. And today is the big day where we handed over the 100,000th vehicle to a customer. We delivered our commitment for 2017. So it's a special day also for me personally.
This milestone on the way to tomorrow's mobility was celebrated with an eye-catching light installation, which transformed the world-famous 4-cylinder in the north of Munich into a battery.